Isang magandang araw Pilipinas, magandang araw Soxergen. Welcome sa isa na namang edisyon ng programang Performing and Informing hatid sa inyo ng Presidential Communications Office, Philippine Information Agency at sa pakikipagtulungan ng Information Coordinating Network of Soxergen o ICONSOX. Sa ngalan ni PIA Director General Catherine Chloe Di Castro at PIA 12 Regional Director Frian Abquilan, ako po si Oliver Rivera at samahan ninyo kong alamin ang mga latest development programs, projects and activities ng ating pamahalaan na ipinatutupad sa bahaging ito ng bansa. Tayo po ay mapapanood via Facebook, YouTube at Spotify. Pasalamatan din po natin ang ating mga media friends na kumukuha sa ating talakayan and pasalamatan po natin ang ating sponsor for this episode. Ang venue po natin ay dito po tayo sa City Mall sa Coronadal City. And we have with us today ang ating kaibigan mula sa Department of Tourism upang pag-usapan po ang nalalapit na SOX Tourism Summit. Let us all welcome Ms. Jellyby Baay Principe, ang Senior Tourism Operations Officer. Ma'am Jel, good morning. Ang inyong pagbati po muna sa ating mga manonood.
Mabuhay, Sir Ollie, and mabuhay to each and every one of us. This is Jelly, the Marketing Officer of the Department of Tourism Region 12. And thank you, PIA, for this invitation to this program.
Opo, Ma'am Jel, malapit na po this coming September 25.
Yes.
Magkakaroon po ulit ng SOX Tourism Summit.
Yes.
Let's start off ang ating episode ngayon kung ano po yung main goal nitong Tourism Summit.
Yes, we call it Soxergen Tourism Summit. No, we've been doing it for the past years already, and it's just in 2 years ago that it's been adopted by the Regional Development Council, RDC 12 as one of the major activity then ng ating celebration ng RDC Week, because as we all know, RDC Week is also being celebrated for the month of September, right, Sir Ollie? So actually, ang ating Tourism Summit basically it's a gathering of all our tourism stakeholders, all over the region, and it's also a venue na ina-assess natin yung current situation ng tourism industry natin sa Region 12, and this is also parang a venue that we get to seek for their concerns or may mga issues ba, or may mga suggestions sila yung ating mga tourism stakeholders about sa tourism development ng ating region.
Pang ilang year na natin ginagawa itong SOX Tourism Summit?
Actually, parang hindi natin na-track kung ilang years na talaga siya, but actually as adopted by RDC, it's 3 years na. It's our 3rd year na naging RDC event po siya.
And for this year, saan po natin gaganapin ang ating SOX Tourism Summit?
Yes, for the past years, we've been doing it in General Santos City and in Coronadal City, And this year, we're out of the 2 cities and we are being welcomed by the Sultan Kudarat Province.
Okay.
This summit will be held at the Sultan Kudarat Convention Center in Tacurong City, Sultan Kudarat Province.
Sino naman po yung target participants natin for this year? Aside po doon sa ating mga tourism stakeholders, sino pa kaya yung maaaring magpunta or inimbita po natin for this event?
Yes. Although the invitation is, since it's a partner activity with our RDC through the EDC, yung Economic Development Committee, which is being, yung ating secretariat is si DepDev.
Okay. Yung dating NEDA.
Yes, dating NEDA.
Okay.
DepDev na po siya ngayon.
Okay.
So, actually, they are in charge sa pag-disseminate ng ating mga invitation. Although everyone is invited to witness and be a participant of this event, the summit is open to all of our local government units, our national government agencies, our DOT-accredited establishments such as yung mga hotels, restaurants, transportations, tour guides, mga souvenir shops, and all of that, so long they are DOT-accredited. And we're also giving slots to our higher education institutions, yung mga HEIs natin, particularly those HEIs that are offering tourism or hospitality-related courses. So they are invited and encouraged to join the said summit.
Sino yung, aside from, syempre, Department of Tourism, sino yung host and Sultan Kudarat Province or yung nag-organize po nito?
Yes, the main proponent of this tourism summit is us, the Department of Tourism Region 12. And actually, kakastart lang natin just this year, no, na parang nagkaroon tayo ng host province, no,
Yes.
because we're planning to parang iikot
Ikutin natin
yes,
lahat ng province. So, nag-start ngayon this year with Sultan Kudarat
Kudarat
Province.
Province. Yeah. So they're also our host province for this time. Although this tourism summit, meron tayong different partners, no, national government agencies as well as our local government units, yung 4 na cities and 4 provinces, they are our partner for this tourism summit. And yung ating na-mention ko na national government agencies such as DTI, DA, DOLE, I have a list, no?
Sige po,
So,
yung
hindi
program,
ko sila makalimutan.
rundown natin. Sige
Yes, you have DA, DNR, DILG, PNP, CHED, PIA, yes, and DAATI and DOLE.
Dole.
They are our partner agencies.
Siyempre po,
Yes.
Ma'am Jel, ang isa sa mga inaabangan dito yung ating mga keynote speakers and yung
Yes.
panelists and
Yes, yes.
para malaman natin kung ano yung kalagayan ng ating tourism industry dito sa region. So ano yung mga criteria used to select these keynote speakers? No?
Yes. Prior to the selection of our tourism or our resource persons, now we had a coordination meeting first with our TWG members such as yung mga na-mention ko na LGUs and NGAs. And out of the first coordination meeting, nag-gather tayo ng mga suggestions, if you remember, Sir Ollie. Tayo ng mga suggestions, what particular topic would they want to discuss for the tourism summit.
Mahaba-habang discussion.
Mahaba-habang discussion.
Kasi
yun.
lahat gusto mag-involve.
Yes, and that's why for this tourism summit, meron tayong anim na resource persons all over the Philippines. Most of on our list are from Manila. So Confirmed, yes,
Sige po.
confirmed. So we
Patikim.
have
Sige.
Patikim. One of our tourism stakeholders sa passenger ship, we have the vice president itself of the To Go Philippines.
Okay.
Yes. She confirmed to join us to be our resource person for our tourism summit.
Part din kasi siguro, Ma'am Jel, na ipopromote nila yung ating sa Jensen.
Yes, yung route natin because we have a route, no, for the information of everyone kasi baka hindi pa alam ng iba. We have we are not just accessible via airplane, no? We are also accessible via ship. Yung ating To Go, we have one passenger ship operating here in Jensen, which is the To Go Philippines. That's why we invited them also to share their services, no? Especially sa ating Jensen route natin.
Opo. Aside po dito sa ating keynote speakers, ano yung mga key sessions natin during the event po?
Yes, we have plenary sessions. Yun yung 6 resource persons.
Yes.
And aside from that, we have side events. Meron din tayong travel, trade, and service mini fair. Actually,
Okay.
before, no, parang
Mini.
na siya, mini fair. But this time, parang medyo lumaki siya because there are a lot of agencies who would want also to take part to our tourism summit. So, parang naging
Gusto talaga nila mag-join. Okay.
trade, travel, service fair na siya. So, aside from that, meron tayong mga booth, no?
Okay.
Sa ating tourism summit wherein magbebenta sila ng kanilang mga products. Yung partner naman natin dito is the DA, the DTI, as well as the DOLE and TASDA. And yung counterpart naman natin as to the travel component is yung ating mga tour operators. They will be selling mga tour packages naman. Yes.
Yung mga tourism circuit natin.
Yes, tourism circuits.
Yun yung mga ipopromote natin.
Yes,
Angel.
yes.
And then, aside po dito, may presentations din po ba kung ano nga asahan ng mga tourism projects, may mga best practices na masishare din po ba ng
Yes.
para sa mga participants?
Yes, we have. That's why yung ating mga resource persons, no, talagang mga bigatan yung mga nakuha natin. So with that, they'll also be sharing their best practices sa kanilang mga organizations na pwede nating makuha din, no, that can be replicated to our region.
Meron din tayong, kung maalala ko, Ma'am Jel, meron tayong speaker on Gen Z.
Yes, Gen Z.
Parang pwede natin i-share sa ating mga viewers kasi medyo ito yung hinahanap ng ating mga kabataan ngayon.
Yes. Actually, no, yung isa din sa mga out of the discussions emanated from our first coordination meeting kasi parang we wanted to parang check and balance if the services as well as the programs and activities of the government, no, especially on the generation Z, is parang akma ba siya.
Yeah.
So we wanted to hear, no, the parang perspective of Gen Z as to the tourism industry of Soxarjan. Kumbaga, ano yung mga masasuggest niya pang mga activities and programs na pwede pa
Na
nating
fit sa kanila.
na fit sa kanila.
Sa atin.
Yeah, sa sa likas.
Millennial. Sige
Yes.
po. Meron din po bang mga performances aside dun sa exhibits natin?
Yes, oo. This is also a venue, no, to showcase yung ating mga cultural performances. And this time, since ang host po natin is the Sultan Kudarat Province, so most likely for this year's Tourism Summit, makikita na naman natin yung rich culture ng ating mga Maguindanaon.
Yeah.
And yes, and other mga cultural groups that are present in Sultan Kudarat Province.
Now, Ma'am Jel, sa mga interesado po na umattend or sumali sa ating SOX Tourism Summit this year, paano po sila magre-register? Or ano ba to? Via invitation ba? Paano po yung process natin?
Although, as mentioned earlier, no, this is parang the invitation is through the DepDev, no, DepDev 12, and it's also open to all of our tourism stakeholders. No, there is a registration link for those who would want to join. Just contact us. You may also contact us through our Facebook page if you want to be invited. Although
May
again,
bayad ba?
it's free. It's free.
Okay.
Almost all of the activities of the Department of Tourism, even our trainings, it's wala po tayong bayad. It's free to all.
Ma'am Jel, ano yung inaasahan natin na magiging output sa mga ganito pong klase na event?
Oo. Since it's a tourism summit, no, we baka out of the discussion, since as I've mentioned earlier, na parang it's a venue to assess, no, and to seek mga suggestions, issues, and concerns from our tourism stakeholders for the development of our tourism industry in the region. So baka may mga resolutions po tayo, yes, as well as mga instructions or agreements among the participants. So eventually, it will be parang cascaded or ipapasa natin sa ating EDC and eventually to RDC.
One of the resolutions siguro na remember ko na parati natin pinupush, Ma'am Jel, is yung pag-designate ng tourism officer sa mga LGU. Kamusta naman po yun ngayon?
Oo. Although, yun na nga, parang this time, no, parang binivisit natin yung mga agreements as well as instructions for the past years. And then, although, let us check, no, if I think there's an RDC resolution about it na parang encouraging all of our local government units. Although this time we see based on our data na talagang marami naman, very active ang ating mga tourism officers. At the same time, almost all of the LGUs naman have a permanent position as to the tourism office or officer.
Sige po. Ma'am Jel, pwede i-rundown natin yung program, tentative
Yes.
program para alam po ng ating mga interesadong umattend po sa SOX Tourism Summit before we end po.
Yes po. This is our Soxarjan Tourism Summit. Again, this will be on September 25, 2025 at the Sultan Kudarat Convention Center, Tacurong City. Our theme for this year is Footprints of Change, Tourism and Sustainability in Soxarjan. This is actually in parang na-anchor natin no, sa World Tourism Day theme, which is yung Tourism and Sustainable Transformation. So yun naman yung ating localized na theme, no? And as mentioned earlier, meron tayong mga travel and trade and service fair, no? In partnership with our different government agencies. So usually,
Open yun?
Open to all.
Yeah.
Open to all. And then,
Sa labas lang ito.
sa labas. Actually,
meron sa
likod
labas,
lang siya.
meron din sa loob.
Yes,
Okay.
sa likod ng ating plenary session. DTI will be offering sikwate.
Sikwate.
Yes, and coffee for the Sultan Kudarat.
Automatic, Sultan
Yes.
Kudarat Coffee Capital of the Philippines. So, ipupush talaga natin yun.
And aside from that, TESDA is also offering their skills demonstration. So for the past year, meron silang barista. Yeah.
Okay.
Free drinks to all. And then this time, we've heard massage.
Massage. Yun.
So, massage yung ma-offer ng ating TESDA. So, yun naman yung sa side event po natin.
Okay.
Sa plenary sessions, again, parang Inaantay pa natin yung confirmation,
Yeah.
but of course, we've invited our dear governor, our congressman, no. Of course, the regional directors of the members of the RDC, and of course yung ating six resource persons,
Yes.
which will
Abangan nila.
abangan nila. Abangan nila. So most likely yun yung magiging program natin. Target natin to end at 3 to 4 p.m. because I heard Sultan Kudarat Province will be hosting
Gala.
parang gala or parang networking sessions.
Yeah.
Yes.
Target number of participants natin, Miss Jel.
This time, no, since parang nakipartner tayo sa Sultan Kudarat, it became bigger.
Yeah.
So we're targeting 300, 400, up to 500.
Ay, up to 500.
Up to 500 participants.
Opo.
Yes.
Sige po, Ma'am Jel, wala na po yata tayong oras.
Yes.
Before we end, panawagan po ninyo sa ating mga viewers, sa mga interesadong pumunta sa ating 2025 SOX Tourism Summit.
Yes, thank you so much, Sir Oliver, no, for having us, the Department of Tourism, to promote our Soxargen Tourism Summit 2025. So, sa ating mga tourism stakeholders, no, and even yung mga stakeholders ng ating partner agencies, such as yung mga DTI, DA, no, please visit us and join us for our Soxargen Tourism Summit. Again, at September 25, 2025 at Sultan Kudarat Convention Center. This is in Tacurong City.
Shoutout na rin natin, Secretary NCRD.
Yes,
Oh.
actually, after this, we'll be heading to Jensen Airport because our dear secretary is actually attending the Tourism Summit of BARM in
Okay.
Cotabato City. But mamaya kasi magpa-fly out siya via Jensen. So we will be receiving our dear secretary there.
Suki
And
na talaga si Secretary dito.
Yes,
Opo.
parang naging ano na yun na, go-to place yun na ang Region 12. And of course, in behalf of our Regional Director, RD King Arena, and our Assistant Regional Director, ARD Armin Hautea, this is Jollibee by Principe from the Department of Tourism, Region 12.
Maraming salamat po sa ating guest mula sa Department of Tourism. Magkita-kita po tayo sa September 25 sa lungsod ng Tacurong para sa 2025 SOX Tourism Summit. Sa ngalan ni PIA Director General Catherine Chloe Di Castro at PIA 12 Regional Director Fryan Abquilan, ako po si Oliver Rivera. Maraming salamat at isang magandang araw, SOXargen.